No matter how house proud you may be, after years of constant use, your floors, whether they're carpet, timber or vinyl, will eventually begin to show signs of wear and tear. Don't worry, the flooring experts at Andersens have all the answers you need to get the floor in your home looking brand new again. Does your carpet look flat and lifeless? Does it have stains that won't come out no matter what you do? Well, before you do anything drastic, have your carpets professionally cleaned. You'd be amazed by the difference this can make. If the issue is a smaller one, for example an iron burn or a hole in your carpet, you might be able to try repairing the area with an offcut. If you don't have an offcut of your carpet, you can always improvise by cutting a piece from somewhere hidden away from sight, like inside a wardrobe or cupboard. Over the years, carpet can sometimes stretch and form ripples. If this has happened to you, call the Andersens professional installation team to re-stretch your carpet. Depending on the age of your carpet, these ripples should disappear. Unfortunately, if the carpet has reached the end of its lifetime, the carpet becomes too brittle and will tear under the pressure of the carpet stretcher. While there are ways to bring your carpet back to life, sometimes it's simply time to replace it. If you are experiencing one or a combination of the following, then it's time to say goodbye to your carpet. Stains that can't be removed. Stubborn odours remain. There are rips and tears. Allergic reactions. Permanent dampness. Loss of cushion. If there is no way of saving your carpet, try to look on the bright side. A new carpet will give your home a whole new look and feel and make you feel refreshed. Timber is prone to surface scratches and blemishes, but these can be easily repaired. Furniture pens and waxes will remove small blemishes from your timber flooring. Larger scratches and indentations can also be repaired, but this could require the help of a professional Andersens timber installer, as the timber board will probably need to be replaced. If larger areas of your timber floors are looking a little worse for wear, don't worry, they can be rejuvenated. Resanding and sealing your timber floors can make them look brand new again. For scratches and indentations, vinyl can be repaired in a similar fashion to timber with the use of pens and waxes. The good news is, replacing plank or tile vinyl is easy. If one of your vinyl tiles is damaged, you can replace it without the help of a professional. Vinyl can't be rejuvenated by sanding, but you can make your vinyl floor new again by stripping back and resealing it with the manufacturer's recommended cleaning kit, making it easy for any homeowner to make their vinyl floors look new again without having to call in the pros. If you have any questions about repairing damaged floors, Andersens flooring professionals are always happy to help. For over 60 years now, we've been committed to helping our customers make houses into homes.